Hello and welcome. I'm the Theory Detective, and these lessons will uncover the mystery of music theory. Now let's continue on with the flat scales. We already have C major, which doesn't use any accidentals or sharps or flats, and the G major scale, which has the F sharp, and the D major scale, which has the F sharp and the C sharp. So let's take a look at a flat scale. This is the F major scale. Now, if you remember, the F major scale has our first flat. It has the B flat. So we're going to find it here. F, G, A, and there's our B. Let's go ahead and lower it. So it's now a B flat. And I'll play it for you so you can hear that it sounds like a major scale. There we are. Now if we start at the bottom, our F becomes our tonic, or our 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1 again. Now remember that for our tonic, or 1 chord, we use the big Roman numeral I, or 1. So let's find out how the chord goes. Here's an F. We're going to skip up to A because chords are built, the chords that we have right now are built on thirds. So that's what we're dealing with right now. Major chords are built on thirds. F to A up to C. So now we have a third, and then from the bottom to the top makes a fifth. So here's a third and a third. The interval of a fifth from bottom to top, and the interval of a third, and then another third step. And you can see that here. Here's our F. Here's a skip up is our A, and another skip up is our C. So let's find our 5 chord. Remember, there are 2 powerhouses. We have our tonic, and that's our main note. We have 2 powerhouses in this scale that drive the music back to the main note, or the 1 chord. So those would be a fifth above, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's an interval of a fifth. There's our C, and it's right here. So we're going to give it a C. We skip up to E, and skip up to G, and now we have our 5 chord. And I'm going to give it a big Roman numeral 5, or V for Roman numeral 5, and here I, Roman numeral 1. And then here I'm going to change the 5 also to a big capital V. Make sure that it's capital so that it doesn't look, so that it looks big and strong. That's what we want for here. We'll talk later about capital and lowercase. But you want to make sure that people know that this one is supposed to be capital. So make sure that it's very distinct. Okay, now let's go the opposite direction. We're going to start with the 1 here, and we're going to count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or a fifth below. So we have a fifth above, that's our 5 chord. A fifth above F is our C, our 5 chord. And a fifth below F would be our 4 chord. So we're actually going to take this one away, and we're going to give it its Roman numeral, I, V. Just like that. There we are. Now we have our 4 chord, and it has an accidental because our B is flatted. We now have to say B flat chord. So this is our B flat major chord. It's right over here. We have to add in the flat. It's our B flat major chord, and I'll give it its Roman numeral I, V. It's Roman numeral 4, Roman numeral 4. And now you have both of the powerhouses that drive back to the 1 chord. I'll go ahead and play those for you. This is your 1 chord, your 5 chord, back to the 1 chord. I'm going to have it go up above. Here's your 4 chord, and back down to the 1 chord. There we are. Go ahead and take out some practice cards, flashcards. 1 chord in F major, and put on the other side F major chord, a 5 chord in F major, and on the other side your C chord, and the 4 chord in F major, and on the other side the B flat chord. Add those to your practice pile, and as always, have a great day.